Morning, boys and girls. It's Thursday, May the 28th, 2020, and here's your digital lessons for today. In math, I want you to think about it that you want to share a circle with a friend. Cut out the circle on page 5. Save the rectangle for the next day. Fold the circle in half, making two equal parts. Cut the halves apart. Write your name on one half of the circle and write your friend's name on the other half of the circle. Draw a picture of the halves in your math book or on paper. Remember to save the rectangle for the next day. Complete the Envision practice problems for day 41 on page 7. And then I want you to log into Dreambox and continue working for 15 minutes. So we're talking about taking a shape and putting in equal parts and not equal parts. And equals means that the two sides are exactly the same, or the parts, it can be more than two, are the same size. Here's the solving chair you're going to do. It says draw a line inside the first circle to show two parts that are the same. Draw a line inside the second part that are not the same. So this one's equal, this one's unequal. And how do you know that the two parts you made in the first circle are the same size? Then here's your visual learning to do. It just talks about the different shape. And then down here, it's going to ask you if it's equal parts, yes or no. And down here, it says write the number of equal shares in each shape on the lines. If the shares are not equal, write 0. So when I look at these two, I see two parts. These two parts are not equal, so I put a 0. Here, I have two parts, and they are equal, so I would put 2 there. In reading, the first thing I want you to do is watch a little video. It'll help you know what you're supposed to do today. And then I want you to read or listen to the article, What Does School Mean to You? Once again, we're talking about opinions and how you feel about things. Write and talk. Think, write, and talk. Think, talk, and write to describe something you already knew about schools and something new you learned from the text. So it says to use evidence from the text to support your thinking. So what does school mean to you? You pull something from that text that helps explain how school means to you, what school means to you. Excuse me, boys and girls. Here's our word list. We have new words this week, or today. We have lie, pie, tie, tried, bright, flight, high, night, might, sleigh. And then we have some words down here. We have necktie, untie, sunlight, and nightlight. Now, these words all have a certain sound in them, and they have the long I sound, and it's spelled 2 different ways, or 3 different ways. Here, the long I sound is spelled I-E. So, I, and all we hear is that I because we have 2 vowels here, and it makes the first one long. Down here, the long I sound is spelled I-G-H. We have bruh, I, so I-G-H makes a long I sound too. So there's only 2 actually. I want you to watch the video. It's going to help you understand what you need to do today with word work. Red and blue words. Write the words from your Cycle 24 word list. Use a red crayon or marker to trace the vowels. Use a blue crayon or marker to trace the consonants and see the word list, and then see the word list on page 20, and it's right here for you, boys and girls. Social studies today is called Helping at Home. Over the last few weeks, we learned that a service is work someone does to satisfy people's needs and wants. We also learned that charitable giving helps others by providing goods and or services for little or no charge. Finally, we learned that giving back to society is part of being a good citizen. In these last lessons, you are going to have the chance to provide services by making a difference in our community. Let's start at home. What is some service that you can do that would make a difference for those you live with? Help out by providing a service that is not normally your responsibility. Then draw a picture of you as you were helping. And then here's a read aloud book I would like you to look at. Now, whenever it talks about providing a service, it might not be your job to, let's say, wipe the dining room table off, but it would be a service to whoever usually does that if you did it. So if you do that, then I want you to draw a picture of you doing it. It might be that your job is not normally to feed the dog, but you might go ahead and do that for someone else and provide a service. You can draw a picture of that. Here's your specials link for today. Also, I want you to get refit. I want you to do some exercise. Make sure that you're moving. Sometimes when I talk to you guys, you tell me that you've not done anything, been in the house all day. And even if you're in the house, like today's going to be a little bit rainy, you can still go to Cosmic Kid Yoga. You can go to Go Noodle, or you can use this link right here to give you a brain break. Guys, I want you to have a great day. Tomorrow will be the last video that I will do for you. You will continue to work, but I won't do video or any more Zoom lessons after tomorrow. And then next week, we'll have our day that we're going to do our celebration for the end of the year. I want you to have a great day. Keep working. Make sure your parents snap a picture and send it to me so I can see the wonderful work you're doing. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.